and tricks for men's eyebrows. Now, a lot of you might be a pro with doing women's eyebrows. Well, guess what? It is not the same when you're working on male clients, especially if they're straight men. They're not gonna want to have arched or perfectly made eyebrows. So what I recommend you is don't make an arch. So the arch point 2 should be lower here, okay? And then it goes more straight. So it's more like a straighter look rather than an arched look. And also, don't make so perfectly placed strokes. And the top strokes should not be so perfect either. Should be more like going in an outward way. And this way is gonna create more of a messy look. And that's okay if they're not perfectly symmetrical. You want that. I would do the more of a wild beginning instead of like this curvy beginning. So it's like messy beginning for the male eyebrows. And guess what? We also have a male brow course, you guys. So if you're interested, you could register for our course, and it's a quick little amazing course just to make brows for men. I hope this was helpful.